Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I was talking with the ChatGPT like a podcast. So let's get started. Hello, can you hear me?
我在呢，有什么想聊的吗？或者有什么需要我帮忙的？咱们就像朋友一样随便聊吧。
I will send you a topic and I need you answer in English.
Absolutely. Just tell me the topic you have in mind and I'll jump right into it with you.
We need to wait the page to refresh because I use NAN to workflow to daily to get the AI news.
No problem. We'll let that workflow do its thing. Whenever it refreshes and you have the news or topic ready, just share it with me and we'll dive right in.
Okay. But we may encounter some the internet problem. So wait a minute.
Of course, no rush at all. If we run into a hiccup, we'll just handle it when it comes. In the meantime, if there's anything else on your mind, I'm right here. Or plan, I'm all ears. That's a mix of surprising and telling stories. A poop analysis app selling user photos really shows why privacy is key, especially when it comes to sensitive health data. And on the AI side, it's wild but not unexpected. AI is getting so capable it's outpacing traditional evaluation methods. Both stories show how fast we need to adapt to AI's impact.
Uh, I want to know is the prop AI which can really achievement the tracking one user uploaded the photos or is just a entertainment app.
It really depends on the app's intent and the tech behind it. A properly designed health app could indeed track when and which user uploaded a specific photo, usually through account credentials and metadata. But if it's just a superficial app for fun without real safeguards, it might not have that accountability. Ideally, a legitimate app should have transparency and privacy protocols, not just treat user data casually.
Okay, the second is I ever want to make a true entertainment app, even though I don't realize that it's entertainment in the I build then the period. I build a two app. The one is to check crack the crack of your rooms, your building, just to take a photo in a mobile phone. And the second app is to check the mites the level of your
So,
how to say 被子 in English. Yes.
the word beta in English is quilt or
Yes, quilt. So most of these most of them was really the entertainment. Is not really uh any the scientists they truly have for the user, just for AI the fake applying the direction.
I get where you're coming from. Sometimes we start with a serious or practical idea, but the end product feels more like playful tech.
Yes.
And that's okay. As long as users know what they're engaging with, even entertainment apps can be meaningful. If you keep that transparency, you're still offering value, just with a lighter touch.
Can you explain me how to more friendly to expression this thing in English？我当时构建这两个应用的时候，我并没有意识到它们其实是娱乐的效果，而不是真的能实现生产这个。
When I two apps, I didn't realize they were more for entertainment rather than something truly productive.
Oh, I didn't realize they were harmful. Transgender data. Okay, so the I second question about this the topic and the news is about the so if the app is really helpful for the user and I really disagree the CEO to this company to sell the photo for the any another third party organization because we did this operation was on was unprotected on respect for the users and I don't familiar with the second things mentioned in this topic was the CTF and the RXVX. Can you uh, simply to introduction then
I'm with you on the privacy stance. Selling user data like that definitely feels like a breach of trust. Now, about the second part. CTF stands for Capture the Flag, a type of cybersecurity competition where people try to solve security challenges. arXiv, pronounced archive, is a platform where researchers share scientific papers before formal peer review. Both are struggling now because AI can solve CTF puzzles super fast, and some researchers were using AI to generate papers, which caused quality issues. So now they're both adjusting to keep things fair and credible.
so let me think about.
Take your time. If anything else about the topic sparks your curiosity, or if you have other thoughts, I'm right here to bounce ideas with you.
We talk in the next topic.
Sounds good. Whenever you're ready for the next topic, just let me know. I'm always. That's quite the contrast. On one hand, you've got advanced features like linking bank accounts, but on the other, memory still trips up AI. And yes, it's true, there's a growing divide between those with access to premium or region limited AI features and those without. It's a reminder that AI progress isn't always equally distributed.
I don't understanding the topic. Why ChatGPT was how to say exhibition was prone in the memory the
No worries.
area.
If you're wondering why memory is mentioned, it's because AI systems often struggle to retain details across longer or more complex conversations. In this case, benchmarks are showing that AI can still forget or lose track of context. So, even with cool features, there's still work to do on the memory side of AI.
Uh, and second thing is because I don't be the US the user, so I curious how what I can do for the ChatGPT to connect the bank account for financial advice. What the feature it can have for the user.
So that feature basically lets you link your bank account securely so the AI can give you personalized financial advice, like analyzing your spending patterns, helping budget, or offering tips based on your actual data. It's like having a personal financial coach. But since it's tied to local regulations and partnerships, it's only rolled out in specific regions, like the US for now.
Okay. So, do you think the AI applying in the financial was obvious the direction in the future?
I think AI's role in finance will keep growing, but it's going to be balanced. It's great at offering quick insights, pattern recognition, or automating budgeting. But when it comes to big life decisions, investments, long term planning, humans will still want that personal trust and accountability. So it will probably become a tool people use, but not the whole picture.
How to expression？你认为 AI 未来会在金融领域发力吗？In English？
Do you think AI will play a significant role in the field of finance in the future?
Oh, okay. Do you think AI will play a significant role in the field of finance? And so about the expression the folly in English, the fix the expression like the play a significant role in something.
Yes, exactly. Play a significant role in something is a common and natural expression. It fits perfectly when you want to say something will have an important impact or contribution in a particular area.
Say something will have an important impact or contribute in the past. We move the next topic.
Absolutely. Let's keep it rolling. Whenever you're ready. That's quite a shift. Microsoft pulling back from a coding tool while Anthropic pivots towards small businesses, especially with a big focus on non-developers and even global health, shows how different AI companies are picking their lanes. It's all about finding where they can make the biggest impact, and sometimes that means stepping away from the coding race.
I don't understanding what the the 态度 how to expression 态度 in about this the event.
In this context, if you want to express title, you'd say something like their stance or their approach. For example, you could ask, what is their stance on this event? Or how are they approaching this situation? It's about how they're handling or positioning themselves toward what's happening.
So do you think the Athropic what they are the stance of this the event and what does mean the pivot?
I think their stance is pretty clear. Microsoft is pulling back from a direct coding tool competition, while Anthropic is pivoting, meaning they're changing direction towards serving small businesses and global initiatives. In other words, they're shifting their focus from competing in AI coding tools to supporting broader non-developer markets. It's a strategic shift to where they see more opportunity or impact.
So I how can I understanding the pivot in Chinese like the unpopulate or the turn of the direction?
Pivot 在中文里通常可以理解为转向或者转变方向，就好比原本你往一个方向走，然后突然转向另一个方向，改变了你努力的重心。
Okay, so the revoking cloud code license from Zara. The revoking is like the how to express understanding the revoking.
Revoking 就是指撤销或取消，也就是原本给的许可或权限，现在把它收回了，不再让你使用。
Okay, we let me see where the place I still don't be understanding. Let me see.
Take your time. If anything else pops up that you're unsure about, I'm right here to help clarify.
What does mean the 20 million Gates Foundation deals? Gates, what does mean? It does mean the small company.
Gates refers to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, which is a huge philanthropic organization founded by Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft. So when you see a $200 million Gates Foundation deal, it means that foundation is funding or partnering in a project. And that's definitely not a small company.
So what I can understand is funding organization.
Exactly. You can think of it as a large philanthropic funding organization that invests in projects aimed at improving global health, education, and more. So when they partner with someone, they're financially supporting that initiative.
Initiative. I always see the initiative. Can you explain how to understanding this word?
An initiative is basically a planned action or project aimed at achieving a specific goal. It's like a focused effort to make something happen, whether it's improving healthcare, launching a new product, or solving a problem. So when someone starts an initiative, they're kicking off an organized effort to make a change or achieve something.
So I can understanding the initiative in Chinese is saying the 计划谋划的意思。
是的，没错。Initiative 在中文里可以理解成计划或者谋划，它指的是一个有计划、有目标的行动，旨在推动某件事情的实现。
So what is the different the expression in different environment between the compare with the playing?
In casual situations, plan is often just what you intend to do, like, I have a plan for the weekend. But initiative is a bit more formal or strategic. It suggests a bigger, organized effort, often in professional or social contexts, like a new company initiative. So plan is everyday, while initiative is more structured or impactful.
Oh, so I can understanding playing is referring the the traditional things in the life, but the initiative is more be professional and official, right?
Exactly, you've got it. A plan can be simple, everyday stuff, like organizing your day. An initiative tends to be more official, structured, and often tied to work, organizations, or larger goals.
And I also have a unfamiliar word I need to teach me is that the effort. I always see the effort, but I only understand it in the 努力的意思。
No problem. Effort is basically the energy or attempt you put into doing something. It's not just about physical exertion, but also mental or emotional investment. So when you see effort, think of it as the push you make toward achieving something.
Can you teach me some several traditional and or regular expression the case?
Sure. For effort, you'll often hear things like make an effort, meaning to try hard, put in the effort, to invest time and energy, A for effort, praising someone's attempt even if it didn't succeed, or every effort counts, emphasizing that each attempt matters. These are quite common in daily language.
Or make an effort, put in the effort.
Exactly. Those are perfect. Whether you're talking about trying hard in work, personal goals, or anything else, these expressions show someone is giving it their best shot. Keep them handy, and you'll sound natural. That's an interesting contrast. On one hand, AI is trusted enough to handle patient care follow-ups and even get government reimbursement. On the other hand, some developers feel that relying on AI coding tools is making them less sharp. So we've got productivity gains, but also questions about long-term skill impact. It's a balancing act.
Medicare, what does that mean?
Medicare is a US government health insurance program mainly for people 65 and older or certain younger folks with disabilities. Basically, it helps cover medical costs. So having Medicare pay AI agents is a big step in official acceptance.
Acceptance. What does that mean, acceptance?
Acceptance means agreeing to or recognizing something as valid or allowed. So when we say AI got acceptance in Medicare, it means the program officially allows or trusts it in that role.
So what I can folks? What does that mean, folks?
Folks is just a casual, friendly way to say people. So when we say younger folks with disabilities, we just mean younger people who have disabilities. It's an informal way of saying it.
I have several words unfamiliar in the news. First is uh, the first government reimbursement. What does it mean, the reimbursement? And the second word I don't familiar with about the uh making them dumber. What does it mean, the dumber?
Reimbursement means getting paid back for something you spent or did, like if a program pays you back for a service. And dumber means less smart or less sharp. Those developers are saying they feel like they're losing their skills or getting less sharp because they rely on AI.
Sharp. What does it mean, the sharp?
In this context, sharp means mentally quick, alert, or skilled. So if someone says they're less sharp, it means they feel they're not as mentally quick or skilled as they were before.
I still don't be understanding. Can you expression in Chinese?
Sharp 在这里就是说一个人很机灵、反应快或者技能很强。如果一个人说自己 less sharp，意思就是觉得自己没以前那么机敏或者有能力了。
Okay, if you tell me the word does mean the people who will be smarter than before, I can more understand.
Got it. If you want to describe someone who's become smarter or sharper than before, you could say they've become more sharp, gotten sharper,
But
or
can
simply
you sorry? Can you tell me one time I say the group was the people, and one time I say there would be the frogs. What are the different the talking environments in around them?
when you say people, it's neutral and fits any situation, formal or casual. But when you say folks, it's more relaxed and informal, like chatting with friends or in a laid back environment. People is your safe word for any setting, while folks adds a friendly conversational vibe.
Can you teach me? But sorry, can you express these two different words in Chinese means?
People 就是普通的人这个词，
哦，
适用于任何场合，正式或者非正式都可以。而 folks 更口语化，更随意，比如和朋友聊天或者轻松的环境下用。所以 folks 有一种更亲切、聊天式的感觉。
But I always have a fixed meaning of the forks is it's very like the GitHub the forks operation. Do you mean in programmer the industry the era period?
Ah, I see the confusion. In programming, a fork is when you copy a project to create your own version. That's totally different. Folks, meaning people, is just everyday language. So no worries. When I say folks, I just mean people, not a GitHub fork.
Okay, thank you for joining today the podcast. I will see the MotoGP. Sorry, I don't understand the mobile the man the competition. So we see the tomorrow.